Hi Paula, sounds like you want to cancel some old workflows, just kind of get them out of the way. So to do that, go to System and Workflow Admin. And then when you get here, you'll want to click into All Active Workflows, and we can add a filter just to make it easier to find, and filter on target employee, select Shelby Foster. I think that was one that you wanted, and click search. And I think this is an old estate. I think this is the one you wanted to cancel. I'm not going to do it for you just in case. But all you need to do is to check the box now next to the workflow that you want to cancel. You'll see there's a few for her, but let's assume that it's this top one. Once you've checked that box, selected that workflow, go to the bottom, and you'll see there's a cancel workflow button here, and you can click that. Now, if you want to change this message, you can, just to keep an audit trail as to why you canceled it or any of those kind of things. But really, all you need to do is click that Cancel Selected Workflows button. That should take care of it. It will probably prompt you for confirmation. It may ask you to put in a cancellation reason, but that's about it. And then just once you're done with that, go find the next one. I know you sent us 2 messages, and go from there. So call or email if you have any questions. Bye.